morning, everybody. I woke up in urgent need of a toilet, and what I found is very hard to talk about. Yeah. Anyways,
What did you find?
What did I find? Just 2 toilets, completely full. Buddy, I added 2.
You contribute?
Instead of holding the walkie at all times, I needed to be even more prepared because I was missing you and you were calling me. So I've got it like this as I drive down the road 100% of the time.
You're pretty quick on the trigger.
Yeah, I know. Because when you call me, I hit him with this. Yeah. I'm just like listening real close, and I hit you with a quick. That.
I feel like you can't rock that with a tank top, so I'll need to wear a t-shirt today.
No doubt. Yeah, I think you need like sandals and dad shorts and everything to rock that. Over and out look.
Over and out. My buddy is, oh babe, look at your arm. Holy smokes.
The last day in Mexico. Which way will we go? Towards Texas or Arizona? We don't know how to go. It's the last day in Mexico here, guys. We're feeling a little bit, I don't know, kind of excited, but like super depressed at the same time.
They're more like that wobble.
Yeah.
Bad things. There's a lot of bad things.
I'm gonna put you two in the music video.
Yeah. So he's giving away all this money and these 2 white kids in the background.
Hey, nacho sandwich, you ready to go?
I'm here, Bob. Let's rock.
All right, let me roll up first.
I quickly want to say thanks to everyone who's followed along the Hello Mexico series with us. This is going to be the last episode of that series, but you can expect us all to chat a little bit more about Mexico. So if you guys have any specific questions you want us to answer in an upcoming video.
Yo, hold up. I just gotta wipe down my mirrors, they're all splotchy.
You can leave them down below and we'll be sure to either make a video just on that or a big Q&A maybe with Minimal Millennials. What's the mission here?
Well, Christian's using the facilities. I think we're gonna do a shot.
Maybe?
We're gonna spend some money, honey.
We're on a Topo Chico mission.
I hope I didn't block this guy in, did I?
Looks like you very well did.
Devastated, I don't know what's happening.
No Topo Chicos? What? Son? How? Say what? Oh my god.
Sure.
Yeah, so we're at the border. Obviously there's no signs, directions, information.
Just hop in that line on your way out and you'll get your money back.
Okay, so Christian's saying someone did tell him to hop in this line when he was here last. And we're just gonna give basically this sticker. There's a $400 deposit on that. And they give us the cash back, and then we are free to sail back into the United States of America, given the United States of America will accept us. And then we're basically scot-free, man. We're gonna enjoy some amazing vegan lunch in San Antonio. I'm looking forward to it.
On this thing it says my vehicle model is a Mitsubishi.
I was gonna do that to you the last tech stop.
Can we make these with the Unreals? Rice Krispies with the mini eggs in them?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't get excited?
Oh yeah,
Come
that
on.
sounds great.
That sounds so good.
Hola, amigo.
Do you want a cancel?
Yeah, finito.
Okay,
Yeah,
and you open your door.
sure.
Oh,
you go
step
inside?
4.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I'll go do it.
Whoa!
Bueno.
Got our caja.
We got our caja?
This is like a bridge fee. You pay
$1.
$1.60. You know?
What's a peso? What's this?
Alright,
Here,
something
75. Should we review how to get into the States?
Yeah.
Little to no talking about anything to do with our business. And all we're doing is going back from vacation to Canada.
Okay.
We're giving ourselves like 4 days and we're driving back up to Canada.
We don't have any drugs. We don't have any firearms.
Please let us into America.
Let's go. Why don't you leave them right here?
Okay. Wish us luck, homeboys. The Americans don't like us so much. Yeah. Don't talk about our business. Don't tell them we are on YouTube.
Hey, definitely listen in on these conversations that go down in the car.
Yeah. Good luck. I hope you get back in.
Oh, you too. Good luck.
How you doing, officer? We're actually heading towards Canada.
Going to here?
Yeah. No. Thanks. Have a good one. Cheers.
That was a breeze. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. America. We're back. First things first, the boys had to make sure the Mexico. I cannot speak. The boys had to make sure the walkie-talkies worked here in the.
Going on that freeway there on the left, yeah?
35 north.
Still just can't believe we made it through Mexico and didn't get a single thing robbed. We didn't get a single person like look at us kind of funny. I didn't get any bad vibes. And I guess maybe we were just lucky, but like, you know, almost 2 months in Mexico. Mexico's pretty sick.
Yeah, honestly, I don't think we were just lucky, man. Like, that's a lot of luck, you know? And not only did we not get bad vibes, but from a lot of people we got the best vibes. Like some of the most chill, helpful, cool people ever.
Straight up. HEB on the right. How you doing?
Happened rather quick, but
Yeah. Finish your tostada there, lady.
yeah. I was just making Eamon a tostada and he's like, you should sit down for this. And we went through, like, Texas has this border patrol.
What?
And they go to inspect your van again. It's
Drove us
crazy.
pretty hard. I said
know.
hola to the guy.
It takes like
He goes, how you doing, man?
takes a few conversations, and then you're right back in it.
Yeah. So your boy just had a little snooze, feeling refreshed and revitalized. Plus I'm pretty stoked. We're going for a nice vegan meal. We're gonna stop in San Antonio and get like a healthy, I'm feeling like a salad or a Buddha bowl or something just really protein heavy, delicious, boom, makes you feel good. The squad is bringing us to 5 Points Local. Apparently it's
Sit in the sun?
happening joint here in San Antonio. I'm just going to place my order here. Talking to the lovely associate. And Becca just whispers, doesn't even whisper really, says it pretty loudly.
No, I didn't.
She's reading the comments. Hey Eamon, people think you're rude and inconsiderate. The girl looks at me. That's mean, you know that?
People are mean.
Why'd you have to tell me that in the middle, in public?
Sorry, should I put on my other glass?
Alright, so for lunch we're doing a shroom bowl, which sounds amazing. Listen to this. Savory mushroom stroganoff in a creamy cashew butter.
Stroganoff.
Served over spaghetti squash with kale and tossed salad. Boom, that sounds unreal. And then we're also doing the vegan tacos. So 2 tacos with tempeh sweet potato blend on corn tortilla, served as if you need more tacos right now. I can tell already it's delicious.
It looks so
just by looking at it, I can tell it's, I don't even need to taste it. You know what, I'm done with my meal. That was an amazing meal.
You know, when I was a kid, my mom used to always make stroganoff, and I loved it.
Wow, just to repay that favor.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Always to each other first. I can't believe it. Over here, waiting.
You got Flavor Town, dude.
It's not unreal. Spaghetti squash.
I like the dressing on the kale too. You know what I mean? Real subtle and nice.
And they're doing it right here for sure.
And then
They've grown their vegan options here so much.
vegan tacos. So I don't know how people can live in this beautiful weather and not want to do this when the sun is there. I just want to go like.
And then there's Christian.
She does this with me all the time, walking down the street. Let me clean the screen for the sign off.
Oh, we're not even leaving each other yet, but it feels like the end of an era. Isn't it crazy that like over Christmas when you guys were in Toronto, we're like, let's do a trip, and we almost made it happen, and now it's happened and it's done.
The first of many, for sure.
The first of many firsts.
You and your lanky arms.
Yeah, I don't even know who wants to start the sign off. It's so bittersweet.
I know.
Mexico.
Well, that comes to an end of our 40.
Eamon's the one that like just shuts down all the really sentimental stuff. He's like, okay, so
We're
it's
done.
over.
Was it 40 episodes?
It's exactly
Yeah,
40
exactly
episodes.
40.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
We
Yeah,
had a
we
blast
really-
making it. There's going to be volume 2, whether that's Mexico, Alaska, Hawaii, who knows?
We're gonna do something else crazy.
For sure. Actually, if you guys have suggestions, pop them down below. Where do you guys want to see us all go? Like,
That's
I'm
true.
really
Can I
excited.
just also pop in here and say,
Yes.
like, this started when we were all like, what if we went to India?
True.
So India is still an option.
It's all an option.
I got it.
An option. The pop wants us to go to India.
pop wants us to go to India hard.
Yeah.
Well, guys, if you watched all 40 episodes, you're more committed to our lives than our families are. So, thank you for doing that.
But if you haven't, go back to the start. The playlist is gonna be complete. You can binge the whole thing if you've just landed on this random video and you're like, what are they talking about? Go watch the series, watch the playlist, and let us know. Honestly, guys, we want to know what your thoughts are on the whole series, what you thought of us daily vlogging all together, and all that kind of stuff.
If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to both of our channels, guys. We're going to be producing a lot more content. Goodbye, Mexico.
Oh
No!
Walk it. Walk it. Walk it.
Walk it. Walk it.